On Windows 11, it's possible to install the Google Chrome Bard AI chatbot as an app. And this video, we will take you how similar to Bing Chat, Bard is conversational chatbot that uses natural language to provide more human conversational answer to complex questions. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to install Google Bard on Windows 11 from Edge. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Microsoft Edge. Click address bar, then type bard.google.com. Click enter. Click the settings and more 3-dot button in the top right corner. Select the apps sub-menu. Click the install this site as an app option. Click the install button. Click allow button. Once you complete the step, the progressive web app version of Bard AI install and will be available from the start menu. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.